Every day when I wake up, the series of the events happening back home, they get my mind traveling back to Nuba, the home. It reminds me of the origin, where we've come from and where we are heading to. The journey is so long to tell a story of who we are and what we do. Most of us have probably not been raised in the Nuba Mountains, but even though we still have heard stories of who we are and what exactly happened, that we are scattered all over the world. Because of the civil wars, we've got our brothers and sisters scattered in every part of East Africa and probably the whole continent of Africa and the whole world, seeking education and shelter. Sadly, so frequent, we hear negative stories from home. We hear stories of rampant fights amongst our people back home, killing themselves over things and talks that could be solved gently. Comrades, we've got a role to play. Saying it's enough the blood shed by the warriors of Nuba, fighting for our freedom. It's enough the gunshots triggered and the death of innocent people dying effortlessly. Many children are orphans, many women are widows, and many men are widowers. Just because of the war that happened. Many people are left injured badly, some of whom are children who would have become great health workers, lawyers, and maybe great world champion footballers. Friends, let's strive to live in peace amongst ourselves instead of war. Let's love instead of hatred on tribe basis. Let's be united instead of being divided. Because united, we stand. Divided, we fall. Across the world, things are changing, while others remain the same, making the world lose its value. People treat others badly, and they do not seem to care. Here's what we should do: stay together and fight for unity. And our ability to reach unity in diversity will be the beauty and the test of our civilization. Finally, I would say one of the most sincere forms of respect is when we listen to what another has to say and appreciate our uniqueness. This way, friends, we will be the light that helps others to see. United, we stand. Divided, we fall.